હું કંઈ જ નથી. That's how he is. He's a star. He's performing tomorrow and he's here in the studio. And I want to welcome Parth Oza in the studio. What's up, Parth Oza? Kem cho?
एकदम जलसावा. क्या बात है. What a feel. What a feel.
And on the other hand, on the other chair, I've got my old friend Nadir Dhanani.
Oh, Shyam. Oh, Shyam. तारा बिना शाम ने एक लड़ू लागे रास रमवाने पैदा मुझे. What we have been living since childhood, honestly. So I have been listening to various forms of original traditional garba from my dad, from my family, and now it's the time to present it to the world and carry it on.
પાર્થ ઓઝા જેટલું મને ઉમંગભાઈ કીધું ને એટલો સરસ છોકરો છે એની કરતા પણ વધારે સરસ છે.
Thank you so much.
And you're performing tomorrow.
Yes, in Houston, and the place actually
GSH Event Center.
GSH Event Center.
And you
yes.
got Dholi, you got this Amit Bhai, and then a bunch of other Dholis.
In fact, more Dholis and more power to